guys, welcome to today's video. If you are new here, I'm JBB. Thanks for stopping by. If you're already subscribed, then welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to be reviewing the Trendmood Volume 4 box that I got in the mail. So I know that there are several different goodies in here. She does have them posted on her Instagram. It's not really a surprise box, so I kind of know what's in here, but I'm excited to open them up and play with them for you guys on camera. So if you're excited to see what I got in my Trendmood box, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the bottom of this video and we'll get right into it. Alright, so I am back to filming now that I have kind of gotten accustomed to the new norm in my life right now. So everything's crazy. I'm sure everything's crazy with everybody with the COVID-19 thing happening, but I am currently working from home. The kids are home, so we have them doing schoolwork that I've come up with a curriculum until their school district, my hair looks a mess, till their school district gives us something to actually give to them. So it's been just crazy, but I am back to filming and I feel amazing about it, except for the fact that I did not put any makeup on today because I'm looking in the camera and I'm like, oh my god. But that's fine. We're fine. I did not do makeup today, but I will be back with my makeup videos starting next week. This Thursday I am doing a second Shein haul with Madison. I did one before. I'll go ahead and link it above so you can see it and my thoughts on it, but we did get a second package and we'll have to open it and let you know what we think about it. But starting next week, I'm gonna go back into doing makeup things like looks. I wanna start doing more beginner tutorials. I've been requested to do a lot of those, so I'm gonna start getting back into that. So maybe less shopping since I can't go anywhere to buy things, and more kind of like tutorials, tips, tricks, and all that fun jazz. So let's get into this box. So this is the Trendmood box, Volume 4. So if you are not familiar with Trendmood, she is a influencer. I don't know if that's really what she's called, but she is on Instagram and she has like all the up-to-date stuff on new launches, new products, new companies, etc. So she started her own beauty box, and it's on Instagram as trendmood.box. So you can go ahead and give her a follow on Instagram. So if you see here, she does post everything that you get in the box. All right, so the total amount I paid for the box was $58. It was free shipping, but then I had to pay 98 cents for some kind of shipping insurance. I don't know, it was really weird. I've actually never paid that, but whatever. I paid $58.98 total for the box. So let's open her up and see what's inside. Oh, so you have a Scan Me. It's like a little scan thingy. I don't know what they're called. But it'll tell you basically everything that's in this box. And it is purple, of course. That's her theme thing. So it has bubble wrap on bubble wrap on bubble wrap. Okay, so the first thing I pull out is a weightless liquid mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide, and it is SPF 30. I believe that this is a lot like my Supergoop one, where it's just straight up zinc, yeah. So looking at it, it's actually very similar. I'm going to go ahead and pull my Supergoop out. So this one is my Supergoop. So this is the First Aid Beauty one. And this is the Supergoop. So the Supergoop one is a little bit lighter in color. So it's kind of weird that it's tinted like that. It doesn't say it's supposed to be tinted, but it's weird. Let's see. Fragrance free. So they're both the same. They don't really smell like anything. So basically it is a sunscreen, and I will go ahead and get the price for that for you as well. Okay, so on Sephora's website, this retails for $34. And like I said, I really like using the zinc screen from Supergoop. So I'm really excited to see how this turns out. I obviously will not need it right now, but I've recently just started using sunscreen. I never really used it before, but I have recently started doing that just to kind of try to take better care of my skin. So I use it every day, so I'll probably run out of this fairly quickly. So let's roll up our sleeves and dive right in. So another thing I got was the Agave by Bite Beauty, and this is the Agave lip mask, and I love this stuff. The reason I haven't bought it lately is because it's kind of pricey, and I have found a lot more lip masks that I kind of like. So like Laneige is $20. I like the Ulta Beauty lip oils. So this one is $26. So I do really enjoy this lip mask. However, it is fairly thick. So if you have it or you got it, just be mindful how much you put on at one time, because it is extremely thick. So it didn't really feel like it hydrated as much as this card is saying, more that it kind of just covered it, if that makes sense. So my lips were smooth, but I wouldn't really say that they were extremely hydrated, but I have really dry lips, so I don't really know. If you've used this before, then let me know how it worked for you. But I do like it. It does make them soft and smooth, but I wouldn't say it's like a miracle worker when it comes to hydration. Drink your water. Your water will help you. So you just turn the lid over and you push it in there to make a puncture hole at the top. And I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze a little bit out to show you. So it is pretty thick. If you sit here and you knead it, and like not, oh I need it, but like knead it, it'll come out a little bit better, but sometimes it can be a pain to squeeze out because it gets a little bit thick. So don't keep it anywhere cold or it will harden. But that was $26, so we've already made well over what the box was. Not well over, we made over. Okay, so another Bite Beauty product. So this one is the Line and Define Lip Primer with kiwi and jackfruit extract. So it looks like this one is just a clear lip liner, which I have several from Sephora and Ulta. I think it's just like Sephora and Ulta brands though. So this is $22, and this is the lip liner. It's pretty thick. It's a thick lip liner. Okay, so my clear one from Sephora is not this thick. It's like a thin lip liner. And this is just what it looks like. It's just white, but it comes off clear. So basically what it does is if you don't have a lip liner, for the shade you're looking for, like see, you can't really see anything is there. Oh, it's minty. It smells minty. So if you don't have a liner for the shade you're looking for, you can put this, and it's supposed to stop the bleeding. The ones that I have, I don't find that it does that 100%, so I will have to try that out and let you guys know. But I have used ones like that before, but they weren't as expensive, so maybe because it's nicer, I don't know. I wonder if it's just a lip, it's Line and Define. So it's not just a primer, but I have used lip primers too, and they don't really work either. Maybe it's just me, but lip liners just aren't my friend. So the next thing we have in here is a Drama Queen kit. So this is a Kimchi Chic, the Unboring Highlighter Palette, Drama Queen. Okay, so I don't want to open this because I think I'm gonna give this in a giveaway. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys this one, but I'm not gonna open it because I do plan on using this one as a giveaway item. But I'll go ahead and show you. So it looks like it is $18 at kimchichicbeauty.com. You can use the code Trendmood15 for 15% off your purchase. So I think that this is like really super cute, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you the colors. I will never use any of these ever. So for me, I just think it'll be a waste to even open it and swatch it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it aside for a giveaway for you guys at a later date, because I don't wanna open it and then I can't give it to somebody who will use it. So we're gonna go to the next thing, which is also something I am doing a giveaway for. And I just have to open it. So I did see this on Instagram. They are 3 eyeshadow palettes from Pure Cosmetics. You have Funk, Classic, and Techno. And this is from Trolls World Tour, which is, I believe, Trolls 2. So I don't want to open these either. I'll go ahead, let me open this one. I won't swatch it. So I don't own anything from Pure Cosmetics. This is definitely a first. It is really cute. This is like a rubbery feeling. But I don't really do well with these small little quads. I don't really know what to call this because it isn't a quad. But I'm going to be very careful so I don't touch the shadows, because I do want to put these in giveaways. So it comes with the 3, 4, 5, 6 different shadows. You have 1, 2, 3 mattes, kind of shimmery, and then a little bit of a pressed matte glitter. So they are really, really pretty, and I think that someone can get a lot of use out of them. I just know for myself that I'm really just not gonna use them, and I'm trying to be as less wasteful with my makeup now as possible. So, and being in this industry, it just really isn't 100% possible because I do buy stuff all the time. But if I can give these away to someone who's gonna use them, then I definitely will. So there's a blue one, which I'll show you right here. It has a bunch of like greenish colors. So it has some greens, a blue in the center, and then some golds. And then you have the purple, which I showed you, and then this one, which is more of a neutral. It looks like it just has a burnt orange, some copper shimmers, a gold, and some browns. So these are super cute, and I think that a lot of people will get use out of these, so I will also put these on the side for a giveaway. But let me get you the total of these. Okay, so the price for these are actually $18 a piece, and you can get them at Ulta, and this is the Pure and Trolls World Tour Pop like collection. They have it on their classical, country, rock, pop. So not just these. I don't actually see these on here anywhere. I just see the ones that I just told you. So these might just be a limited to a specific thing or her box. Let me check. No, so they have them at Kohl's, they have them on their website, so they have them in different places. I just didn't see them on Ulta. So again, these are $18 a piece. You get 3 of them in this box, which I think is really awesome. 3 eyeshadow palettes is really not bad at all, but I'm also gonna put them in the giveaway because I know that I won't use them. So it looks like I have one more item in here, and this is the Cora Organics Nani Night AHA Resurfacing Serum. Cora. I don't think I have any skincare products from this person or this company. This person. So it does have AHA in it, all skin types. A powerful certified organic night treatment serum that uses AHAs and BHAs and ferments to help resurface your skin and reduce the appearance of pores, leaving you with a smoother complexion. Okay, so I do have, and it has like a big long note on the front of there. I'm not gonna read all that, but I do have some serious issues right now with texture. I have used the Ordinary's AHA BHA face peel, and I actually did my month update where I used the Ordinary for a whole month, and I did it on my live last Saturday. I'll go ahead and link it up here so you guys can take a look at it and see how I felt about those products. We're not going to touch base on that, but I'm excited to try another AHA product just because that one did not work out for me. Sneak peek, it did not work out for me. So let's take a look at how much this costs because it does not have it on this card. One moment. Oh my god. Okay, so this is $72. So you get a lot of stuff for the amount you pay for this box, but you can get this on Sephora, well, online right now because I don't think they're open, at least not in my area. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pump a little onto, let me give it a shake. I don't know if I'm supposed to shake it. Okay, so it's like a yellowy cream. It doesn't really have a scent to it, but we're gonna go with it. So it does have a little bit of a scent, just a little organic-y. So how am I supposed to use this? All right, let's look at this to see how. Directions. Warm 1 to 2 pumps in the palms of your hands and press onto a clean face, neck, and décolleté in the evening. I guess then you just go to sleep with it. I go to sleep with it. So I guess you do, so you're supposed to just press it. I rubbed it, which was not what I was supposed to do. So you're supposed to just press it in. It doesn't say if it's supposed to be over my moisturizer, under my moisturizer, without any moisturizer. I guess you go to sleep with it on your face. Yeah, I don't know. So I'm assuming you're supposed to sleep with it overnight. I'm gonna try it and I'll have to get back to you guys. But again, this was $72. So If it works, that's gonna really suck because then I have to pay $72 to continue having perfect skin, which makes me mad. So that would suck. Oh my god! It's a troll! Oh my god! I love this so much. You're getting a little troll. Okay, I need to grow up at some point, but that's so cute. So that is it for the box. Let's go ahead and give my final thoughts. All right, guys, so to wrap things up, I feel like you definitely get enough products in a high enough price range to cover the $58, the steep $58 that you pay. Because if you think about it, for BoxyCharm it was like $25, and for this one it was $58. You do get all name brand products, so that's good, except for kimchi. I don't know if that's a name brand or not. Could be, could not be. Go ahead and let me know below if you know. I've just never used it. So I think that it was definitely worth buying. However, for me, of all the items I won't be doing these for, I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway with them. So of the items that I got that I will use, I definitely still think that it's really worth it. I will use sunscreen every day. Most people do. The lip liner or the lip primer, I could have passed on that one. The agave lip mask, I do like that a lot. So if you don't have a ton of lip masks like I do, then this would be amazing for you. And then I am really, really excited about this Cora Organics Nani Night serum. So I'll have to keep you guys posted on this one and what I think about it. But I think I'm gonna like it. I'm trying to see if there's any more codes for you guys to get discounts, but I think the only discount was on the kimchi one. And my favorite item out of the whole box, prepare yourselves, was the troll. This is my favorite guy. So that's it, guys. Let me know if you've gotten any of her boxes. Did you get this box? What do you think about the products in this box? Do you think she should do different stuff, better stuff? What are we thinking? I know volume 5 is coming out. I think I'm gonna buy it because I was pretty impressed with this box. And for $58, I got a lot of stuff. So I got a little bang for my buck. So make sure you comment below and let me know what you think. And also, like I said during this video, I am going to be doing a giveaway. I don't really know when I'm going to put it up. So make sure you stay tuned so I can show you guys the things I got. I did my BoxyCharm for March. I did an unboxing and I was going to do some giveaways with these, but I had swatched them, so I couldn't. And if you also missed my Saturday live, I bought some Uji or OG lip products. So check that out. Like I said, I'll go ahead and link it above and in the description box so you guys can see my thoughts on those products. And as always, guys, I will see you next time. I want you to have a great week. Stay safe. Stay home. Love you. Bye.